Welcome to Vehicle Club, your go-to channel for the latest in bikes and automotive updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the brand new 2025 Bajaj Avenger 220 Cruise, a refreshed version of one of India's most iconic cruiser bikes. Design and styling. The 2025 Avenger 220 Cruise retains its laid-back cruiser silhouette but comes with updated styling elements. It features a sleeker headlamp with integrated DRLs, a redesigned flyscreen, and chrome accents that add to its premium cruiser appeal. The long, low stance, wide handlebars, and cushioned backrest promise comfortable highway cruising. It's available in two new colors, moonlight white and auburn black, enhancing its road presence. Performance and engine. Under the tank, the Avenger Cruise continues to be powered by a 220 cubic centimeters oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers around 19 brake horsepower and 17.5 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The engine has been refined for smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency, ideal for both city commutes and long-distance cruising. The iconic thump remains, keeping the Avenger's distinct identity alive. Features and technology. Bajaj has added a few modern touches to keep the Avenger relevant in 2025. The new fully digital instrument cluster offers real-time mileage, gear position indicator, and trip information. A USB charging port is now standard, and the lighting system is fully LED for improved visibility. The Cruise 220 also continues with a comfortable suspension setup, featuring telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. Pricing and final thoughts. Priced competitively at around 1.55 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, the 2025 Avenger 220 Cruise offers exceptional value for cruiser lovers. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of relaxed riding and timeless design. Thanks for tuning into Vehicle Club. Subscribe for more updates, and let us know your thoughts about the new Avenger 220 Cruise in the comments below.